it.
East and the west, racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest all night long. She putting me to the test. Got a lot on.
Good morning. Time is currently 7:30.
Sterling! Hi! Good morning! What do you want?
But this morning we woke up at 6:30 and it was pitch black out and I was like, girl, what? And I had to go pee, so I went downstairs, but I think something, my body woke me up because, girl, the sunrise was looking so good. I ended up just sleeping in here for the next hour and a half and now it's 7:30 and I'm up.
Bookie, 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 bookie.
She's so crazy, girl. I have you propped up in a plant right now in the dirt. I'm gonna wash my face and shower and stuff after I get back from my walk because I know that that's just gonna make me take another extra hour to get out the house. If I don't leave right now, she's never leaving. I mean, I just checked the weather and there's no sun, there's no cloud or anything indicating the weather. It's just a fucking wind gust, and that's how you know it's scary outside. Good morning, USA. Drink your water, kids. First thing in the morning. Sterling, come here. Sterling's so confused. He's like, what the heck? But I came out this door. I don't think he realizes there's a door over here or something, but he does now. He's like, yeah, I'm actually gonna just like lay down. All right. Come on. Hi.
You're so cutie today.
Sterling, where are you going? Come on. Good boy, Sterling. You want a treat? You want a treat?
Oh, my little turdy turd. My little turd.
We out here in New York. Bro, I used to sit here when I would travel here and just like look at the city and be like, wow, I want to live here one day. And now I live here.
We live here, Sterling. Remember when we used to come here for fun? Hi. Hello. You're so cute. You're so cute. Wasn't he so cute, so?
Guys, should I go ice skating? Could be a vibe. Comment down below if you think I should go ice skating. And I'll go ice skating in the next vlog. Okay, I quickly just went downstairs to grab a package. This package is for Alchemy. It came from the factory. Basically, if you guys don't know, we make all of our clothes in LA. We have 2 different factories in LA, so it makes it a little bit more difficult. I want to make sure that there's consistency throughout sizing and everything that we do. These are going to be sweatpants that we're coming out with, but it's this factory's first time making it, but they've made our hoodies and stuff like that. So I just have to check if they're correct. Guys, look at our new labels. This is my first time seeing it and I'm like, whoa, this looks so cool. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna try these on. Currently I wear a, well, this one I'm wearing a large on top of a small. We have a small medium size and a large extra large size. This is the large extra large, and then I just have them stacked on top of the small ones. So both of them fit me, they're just like different lengths. These are the smalls. I designed them so that they would look like a really nice straight leg, because I feel like when you wear sweats, sometimes you can feel bummy. And I wanted to make a sweat that still fell and like looked super chic. It has a good material so that they still look put together, you know? And I didn't put a pocket on the sweatpant because I feel like it just looks cleaner. But I'm gonna make another version of sweatpants that I'm gonna put a pocket on. And the next version of sweatpants that I'm gonna make is a one size sweatpant, but it's gonna be like a super baggy one. And then with these sweatpants, so you can scrunch them and make them like a cuffed sweatpant if you want as well. The versatility, guys. I've decided to take a shelf from up here and move it here. Girl, I don't like the gap that this is giving. I think that we could get some more room out of this. How do I take this out? Ugh, ow. Okay. Could have brought it down one more. Okay, boom. Now I have 4 shelves here, and then this one's more empty up here because I'm on a step stool right now to get there. I'll make as many things accessible here as possible. Okay, I've been trying to figure out a solution for my spices. There was these things from my glam room where I displayed items, but I thought I could make it if I took the legs off. And so I have it here now, and so I'm gonna put the spices in. I also just been taking the time to just reorganize everything, get rid of any doubles, and then put it into the proper containers. This was actually so satisfying because I got rid of so many doubles and stuff like that, so. Trader Joe's and I'm hunt for olives. The other olives that we got were not good. She did not pass the test. Oh my gosh, there's so much food here though. I literally don't need any more things, but how did I somehow manage to pick up a couple other things and I still haven't even cooked anything? I can't find the olives. Girl, I can't find the Found them. I am addicted. Advent calendar dogs. Oh, that is crazy. We're getting him in. We're gonna get this. He's scared. Yo. Trader Joe's lines are always the most insane thing ever. It's dark outside and I'm still eating the olives. Good morning and welcome to another vlog. Today I'm gonna be organizing my fridge from all the groceries that I got yesterday at the farmer's market. Finally opening up my kitchen boxes, so hopefully we can get some organization in. But also, also I am going to go to Central Park for some work today as well. So I have a meeting to hop onto. I can go pick up my glasses today. It's currently Monday morning and I moved in on Friday. This is officially my third real day here and I've been rotting in bed.
Good morning. Good morning.
Oh. Right, Rob, let's go then. Good morning.
Ohio gozaimasu.
Hello, if you're new to my channel, because I know there's probably a lot of new people watching. My name is Pham and I'm 21 years old and I live in New York City, but I grew up in Canada, Alberta, Whitecourt, a small town, and I'm Vietnamese and I moved to New York 3 years ago. I would really appreciate it if you subscribed if you haven't already. If you're like, girl, it's too early to subscribe, like I don't even know if I like your videos. Well, if you end up not liking my videos and you're like, this bitch boring, you can always just unsubscribe, you know what I mean? I must have slept so crazy because the fact that my lashes is like curled for some reason is weird. My lashes are not curled, they go straight down. So I must have like slept in a way where my eye was like this. I forgot to make my bed. We have to go upstairs and do that before we leave. This Clean Fresh Yummy Gloss from CoverGirl in the shade 60 Moonlight Eclipse has been my favorite. The sun is going crazy. This smells so good. I don't know why mornings are so like, for me, for no reason. Like I'm about to go on a walk and why am I like frantic? I think it's because I feel so slow getting out of the house. But I think since everything's in boxes, it's making things slower because like I don't know where things are. And like today I wanted to dress up with some jeans and I had to open up a bunch of boxes to get the jeans, you know? So I have to open up the boxes for that. Not to stress you out. We're not stressed. All right, this is the outfit today. These really baggy jeans. And then I just have this white long sleeve underneath just to like add a little bit of a layering moment. This hoodie from ALONE. Okay. I think it might be a little bit cold. Let's check. Girl, she's windy. She's totally windy. Even with my hair up in a bun, y'all see? The hood still fits over. Design. Very windy day. I think today I need to find my watering can because the plants are looking a little bit sad. But honestly, they look like they're like doing good though for adjusting to a new place. I think they just need water. But I have a blanket here because last night it was raining and obviously we're in the sunroom, so I could like hear the rain just shh. And it was so nice. I definitely want to show you guys when it rains again. Eating a yogurt would help right now. Although I don't have any spoons, so we're just going to be using a fork that I think I've used like 4 times now. Actually, I don't know if I like that. Sterling, let's go. Sterling. Let's go, Sterling. Everything plain and sesame. Just picked up some bagels. With these bagels, they're not like the typical New York bagels where they're already pre-made. It's like, it's just a cream cheese and then you just have the plain bagel. They're really good. So I'm excited to try because these just came straight out the oven. But I'm also gonna grab a coffee here. Could I just do a iced hazelnut latte, please, with oat milk? I'll do a double shot, please. Thank you. barking at? Hey. Oh my god, the moon is right there. What the heck? Whoa. The office looks crazy, doesn't it? Got new furniture. Hey, Justin. Zay, Justin, and I came into the office and we were just working on some last minute things for the drop. We're actually dropping on Tuesday on Christmas Eve, which is tomorrow if you're watching this the day it comes out. So, all right, time is currently 6 o'clock. I'm about to leave the office and I'm gonna go to Williams-Sonoma because I want to get a cast iron pan to cook the steaks in, and then I'm gonna get an extra steak because Justin is also gonna join us for some steaks tonight. Good job. Like, it's not red, but it's like pink. I think she's pretty good. They're here. This is Zay and this is Justin. I'm sure you guys have seen Zay in the vlog a lot, helping me move. He has just helped me so much this year, just with so many different things. And this is Justin on the right, and he helps with Alchemy and the production of it, and he's been doing it for like 3 years now. So just wanted to have a cute little dinner to celebrate all of us. Whoa, another Monday video. Are you guys proud of me? I said I was gonna post every Monday, and look at me, I'm back. She's back, guys. She's really back, so make sure to subscribe. Oh, thumbs up, love that. I'm actually dropping Alchemy tomorrow. As you guys can see, the pimples on the face, it's giving stress pimples because, girl, this collection is the last collection of the year. It's our biggest collection yet. So if you guys are trying to get an Alchemy hoodie, the hoodiest of hoodies, the one size best hoodie ever, okay, viral on TikTok. I'm dropping it tomorrow. Follow our Instagram if you guys want to stay updated. But 11 a.m. EST tomorrow, December 24th. Get the drop. If not, it's okay. But I'll see you guys next Monday. I love you. Comment down below if you stayed this long. Oh my gosh, I can't believe Alchemy is coming out with rings. Oh my gosh, I can't believe you designed a ring. Something like that. So I know you stayed this long. All right, bye.